Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing the Togetherness Care Bear, and it's very special because I have one here to show you. This is my Togetherness Care Bear, and when I say mine, it's because it's very unique and one of a kind, because the fur the color on the fur is very different and unique on each one of these Care Bears. So if you own one of these, yours will be different from mine, and so that's what makes it very special. And also, of course, this beautiful embroidered heart right here, and the message that it sends about being together and love for all, right? So I really hope you love seeing this Care Bear that I have here to show you today. And so, oh, and also it comes with this really heavy little coin right here, and it says, "I care, Togetherness Bear." So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this very sweet bear, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And come right next to it and draw another circle. So say about right here. Not too far apart. Just enough room for the nose area, snout area. Now that we have our circles in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to add 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that we have the eyes in, let's come back, and about right here I'm just going to add a soft curve over each eye. Then let's come to the sides right here. Almost forgot. Let's add some lashes. So I'm just going to pop out 2 little angles on the side right here. And then let's draw the nose area. So in between these eyes, let's come about right here, nice and centered. And I'm going to lightly draw a curve. So we're going to start to draw this oval. And I'm going to bring it down. It's a little bit narrower at the top. Bring it down and then connect it with a soft curve at the bottom. There. So just a little bit narrower at the top. And from there, let's come to the center, and I'm just going to give myself 2 little points about right here to draw the little heart nose. And then, of course, let's give this Care Bear here a big smile, so about right here. And cap it off. Draw a big curve. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come over under the eye right here, just lightly draw a curve just to give it some cheeks. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and start to draw the face. So let's come to the center of your eye, about right here, and I'll come out, let's say about this much. Same thing on the other side, about this much. And I'm going to start to draw a curve. So this is the cheek area. Nice and round, about right here. And let's bring it around, and basically just going to come right underneath the mouth area and connect it with a soft curve once again. And connect. There, nice big cheeks, right? Okay, so then from there we're going to go up from here, from this point, go up, and I'll just drag a point across about here, so it's easier for my hand to come down to connect back to here. There, and then I'm going to bring this up About that much, about right here. And if you're using a pencil, go ahead and just finish this curve right back to here. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop in about the center area, right about here, where this curve would go. I'm going to stop and just draw some zigzags over some tuft of hair and bring it in. And then go whatever space I have left, continue my curve back, just like the other side. There. I'm going to pop this up a little bit more. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the ears. So in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a big curve and bring it in and draw the inside. Just another curve, and I'm going to drag a point across only because I'm drawing pretty big, just so I kind of approximate where the other ear should go. So once again, bring it right back to my point and draw the inside. There, all done for the head. Now to draw the body. So I'm going to come, let's say about right here under the eye. Just going to center it, so about right here. I'm going to draw a curve, comes down, and let's bring it down a little bit more. Say about there. Now that we're nice and even, I'm going to come about right here and bring down a curve and bring down a curve. So bring it down pretty little. So keep going, but right here I'll just kind of curve in a little bit, and then connect at the bottom right there in the center. Then from there, we're going to bring this up. We're going to start to draw the feet. So imagine you're drawing like an oval. And we're just going to go around. And let's bring this down and then connect back to this space right here. And then let's come in here. So as if there's an oval in here, we're just going to go ahead and draw this curve inside to create the oval. So same thing on the other side. Right here, imagine you're drawing an oval. And we're just going to bring it right back to here. And in. And once again, come in. To draw your oval. There. Now we have the feet in. And then now the arms. Let's come right about here. And I'll just pop in these arms and tuck it in right there. So same thing over here. There. So that is your basic Care Bear, and now to make it a Togetherness Bear, right, is what's important is right here inside. So I'm going to draw the tummy area first, so let's come about right here and here. I'll give myself a point, and I'm just going to draw this big curve that comes right underneath the chin, and right back down. And then right here, very low, draw another curve to finish off this circle in the tummy area. Then before I forget, let's draw the heart on the feet first. So right here towards the side, go ahead and draw 2 hearts for the feet. And now for the Togetherness heart. To make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to give myself 2 points first. Since it's a heart, give myself 1 right here, and I'm going to bring it straight down to say about right here. Just so I know where I'm going. So start as if I was drawing a normal heart. Go up, and I'll bring it down to there. Now to create that swirl, let's start now that we have this point. We're going to bring it down and go up. And stop about right there, because in this area right here, we're going to go up and down. So hopefully I went slow enough for you to follow. Just want to create this curve, comes in, and then swirl it out. Then for the other side, where you started that point right there, you would draw the other side, just like you would draw a normal heart, and bring it down. And as we come down, we're going to give it a longer tail towards this point right here. So bring this down towards that point, and imagine this swirling, thickening it up, and connect. There. Hopefully I was able to help you with that to draw much easier. And then you can come in here with some markers to create the colors, the rainbow colors in there. And that is pretty much it for the drawing part. So I wanted to just show you really quickly. I recommend that you, if you want to put in all the rainbow colors, to use a color pencil, which is easier because it blends easier. And so I just wanted to show you really quickly. If you want to blend with color pencils, just start off whatever color you want to do. Start off dark, and then as you're starting to blend, come out and make it lighter. Okay, sorry for the noise. Let's start over again. So like I said, when you, let's say you're starting with green, wherever you start, just make it nice and dark. And then as you want to start to blend, lighten up, lift up on your pencil a little bit and make it a little bit lighter as you come down. Then from there, let's say you wanted to blend it to blue, bring your blue and start, say about right here, wherever you want your blue, a little bit darker. And then as you come near the green, just go lighter. So just lift up on your pencil a little bit. So this part is going to be nice and blue, and then as you get close to the green, just lighten up on it. And then it's going to be a back and forth thing now, so just come back with your green, go into the blue, and come back with your blue, and go back into your green a little bit. So it just blends everything a little bit better to create that gradation. So let's say you want your blue to go into purple. So I'm going to get lighter as I come here, where my purple is going to be. So I'll start my purple, say about right here, and then get lighter as I come near the blue. And I'll bring my purple into the blue. And come back with my blue into the purple. So it's just back and forth blending it. So it's much easier with color pencil. Unless you have those fancy markers that blend really well. But I love color pencils, and I think that is a lot easier, just easier to control. So same thing with the pink, back and forth. And that would go into orange and yellow and whatever colors you want to blend in. There, so you have a nice gradation by using the color pencils. And then right here, since you need to be a little bit more precise, you can just use markers for those colors. And I really hope that helps you. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this drawing of this beautiful togetherness bear turned out, and that inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon with another video. So please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.